Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, for question 23 solution, okay, which is similar to trigonometry. Okay, the question says that sine theta is equal to 4 over 5, cos theta is equal to 3 over 5, and tan theta is equal to sine theta over what? Cos theta. Because I'm explaining this, that is why you see it's taking a bit longer. But the time, the seconds associated to each of those questions, you should be able to. So then it will give you a kind of level of confidence that you can perform very well in your JAM, in your SSC, in your NECO, or perhaps in your GCE, or perhaps in your classes, SS1, maybe SS2, SS3. Okay, so very important. Look at this now. Sine theta equals 4 over what? 5. Don't forget, in trigonometry, I've mentioned something like what? So, ka, twa. And I said this can only exist in a what? In a right angle what? Triangle. If you have your right angle here, right angle triangle, which is this is your y-axis, okay? This is your x-axis. I've told you where this place is facing is what? Hypotenuse, okay? Let's assume this theta is here based on the one I'm giving you. And then you can say E, F, G. Okay, we're just assuming. So this is your theta here. So it means your opposite is going to be this place, okay? And your adjacent will be here, okay? So if you look at this question very well, so what did they tell you? So means what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So it means here, from here, your opposite is what? 4, okay? Your hypotenuse is what? 5. That is the meaning. So katwa. This is adjacent and hypotenuse. You have your hypotenuse already. So what's your adjacent? It means that your adjacent is what? Is 3. It's as simple as that. Okay? Very, very simple. It's as simple as that. That is how you can analyze it. Now, they now said you should find your tan theta is equal to, they've given you illustration that tan theta is equal to sine theta over what? Cos theta. Had they been have taught you trigonometry before giving you this question, I won't give you tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. All I will just say find what? 1 minus what? Tan theta raised to power 2. Okay? So, but because I've not taught you, that was why I had to give you the definition of what? Tan theta. Okay? In mathematics. Tan theta equals what? Sin theta over what? Cos theta. So the question I need to ask myself is just to find my tan theta. So my tan theta, so they're giving us above from here right now. So what's my sin theta? My sin theta is what? 4 over what? Over 5 divided by, what's my cos theta? My cos theta is what? 3 over what? Over 5. 3 over 5. So don't forget, I can change my long division to what? To short division. So it means my tan theta will now be what? 4 over 5 divided by 3 over 5. Very simple. Okay? And I've told you anything on the right hand side is the owner of the sign. Who is the owner of the sign here? This division is 3 over 5 because it's on the right hand side. So if I want to change it to multiplication, I've mentioned this over and over. Denominator will go up, numerator will come down, times 5 over 3. Okay? 5 will cancel 5. It means this one will be what? 4 over 3. So it means tan theta is what? 2 is what? 4 over 3. So if you confirm from SOHCAHTOA, okay, if you confirm from what? From SOHCAHTOA, you will see that it is correct. So what is your opposite? 4. What is your adjacent? It's what? 3. 4 over 3. It shows that tan theta is equal to sin theta over what? Cos theta, which is very correct. So let's now go to the question. The question now says find 1 minus tan theta square. So 1 minus tan theta all square. What would that be? 1 minus tan theta all square. So that will now be 1 minus 4 over 3 or what? Square. Very simple, just like chinchi and what? And pure water. So this one will now be 1 minus what? 4 times 4. 16. 3 times 3. That's what? 9. So what you just need to do is just to what? Find the LCM. So this one is same thing as saying 1 over 1. Just find the LCM. So what will the LCM be? So the LCM will just be what? 9. Okay? The LCM will just be 9. All you just need to do is just to what? Is just to ensure that you find the appropriate what? LCM. So it means that that implies that is 9. 9 divided by 1 is what? 9. 9 times 1 is what? 9. Minus 9 divided by 9 is what? 1. 1 times 16 is what? 16. Okay? So this one will now give us what? Minus 7 over 9. So that is the meaning. So it means that the tan theta is what? Minus 7 over what? Over 9. Okay? So that is very simple. Just like chinchi and pure water. Most times you don't get angle to be what? Minus. Okay? So but if that is the way the question is, you follow it like that. Thank you. Ensure to like, comment, and share. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheers.